What's the meaning of blind? Blind. Blind.
Blind. Blind. The word blind can have several meanings depending on the context. As an adjective, it can refer to the inability to see, either due to physical impairment or metaphorically referring to lack of insight or understanding. It can also mean an act of blocking or obstructing, such as a blind alley, or not requiring light, like a blind taste test. As a verb, it can mean to make someone unable to see or understand something, or to obstruct their view. Additionally, in certain contexts, it can also have negative connotations, such as describing someone who was blindly following an ideology without critical thinking.